Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting four of the biggest cinematic heavyweights side by side on our ultimate box office tracker. We are checking out how the juggernaut Toy Story 5 stacks up against the massive holes of Minions and Monsters, the terrifying run of Evil Dead Burn, and of course the roaring numbers of Moana. We will analyze their daily drops, look at today's fresh predictions, and see where their cumulative totals stand right now. The numbers on the charts are absolutely wild, so let's not waste any time. Let's look at the tracker.
Looking at the Day 3, Day 12, and Day 24 domestic box office numbers. Toy Story 5 posted an early domestic estimate of $5.7 million on Day 24. Minions and Monsters earned an estimated $6.1 million domestically on Day 12. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn brought in an estimated $3 million at the domestic box office on Day 3. And Moana delivered an impressive $11.5 million domestic gross on its third day. Now let's move over to the Day 3, Day 12, and Day 24 worldwide box office results. Toy Story 5 recorded an early worldwide estimate of $13 million on Day 24. Minions and Monsters generated an estimated $14.4 million worldwide on Day 12. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn added approximately $8 million worldwide on Day 3. And Moana continued its strong run with an impressive $25.5 million worldwide gross on its third day. Now let's move on to the Day 4, Day 13, and Day 25 domestic projections. Toy Story 5 is projected to earn approximately $3.5 million domestically on its 25th day. Minions and Monsters is expected to bring in around $4.2 million at the domestic box office on Day 13. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is projected to collect approximately $1.4 million domestically on Day 4. And Moana is expected to add roughly $4 million domestically on its fourth day. Now let's take a look at the Day 4, Day 13, and Day 25 international projections. Toy Story 5 is projected to add approximately $4.2 million from international markets on Day 25. Minions and Monsters is expected to earn around $5.9 million internationally on Day 13. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is projected to collect approximately $2.8 million from international markets on Day 4. And Moana is expected to generate roughly $5 million internationally on its fourth day. Combining domestic and international earnings. Let's look at the Day 4, Day 13, and Day 25 worldwide projections. Toy Story 5 is projected to collect approximately $7.7 million worldwide on Day 25. Minions and Monsters is expected to bring in around $10.1 million worldwide on Day 13. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn is projected to earn approximately $4.2 million worldwide on Day 4. And Moana is expected to add another $9 million worldwide on its fourth day. Now let's check the cumulative domestic totals. After 25 days in theaters, Toy Story 5 has reached an outstanding domestic total of $407.2 million. After 13 days, Minions and Monsters has earned an impressive $112.4 million domestically. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn has collected $15.1 million at the domestic box office in its first 4 days. And Moana has already crossed the $47 million mark domestically after just 4 days. Now let's move on to the international totals. Toy Story 5 has accumulated an impressive $479.5 million from international markets after 25 days. Minions and Monsters has earned $177.6 million internationally after 13 days. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn has collected $31.2 million internationally in its first 4 days. And Moana has reached $57 million internationally after 4 days in theaters. Finally, let's take a look at the worldwide totals. With domestic and international earnings combined, Toy Story 5 has officially reached an incredible $886.7 million worldwide after 25 days. Minions and Monsters has surpassed the $290 million worldwide milestone in just 13 days. Meanwhile, Evil Dead Burn has climbed to $46.3 million worldwide after 4 days. And Moana has already crossed the $104 million worldwide mark in only 4 days.
So there you have it, the complete box office breakdown for these four major titles. Looking at the board, Toy Story 5 is absolutely crushing it, crossing the $800 and $80 million mark worldwide in just 25 days is no small feat. It is showing incredible legs, and at this rate, hitting the coveted $1 billion milestone isn't just possible, it's practically a guarantee. Meanwhile, Minions and Monsters is holding its ground beautifully, surprising $290 million globally in under 2 weeks, proves that the audience appetite for high quality animated family flicks is stronger than ever. It's definitely on track to become one of the most profitable runs of the season. On the darker side of cinema, Evil Dead Burn is doing exactly what a solid horror flick needs to do, snatching over $46 million worldwide in just its opening 4 days is a massive win for a rated R horror movie. The word of mouth is strong and it's going to turn a massive profit very quickly. And finally, look at Moana, surprising $104 million worldwide in just 4 days of release is absolutely mind-blowing. It is pacing well ahead of expectation had could very well give Toy Story 5 a serious run for its money in the coming weeks.